Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since March 26, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.86. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 7.68%. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.28% since it was classified as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, with indications of further decline within that trend. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 43.96% over the next 3 months, with a possible range of returns between -51.27% and -25.22%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis shows a projected change of 68.37%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 59.58% to 426.68% over the next year. In current terms, this would imply a future price somewhere between $13.82 and $45.61. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, "Volatile ride for SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price on Wednesday, moving between $7.97 and $9.16. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock price gained 5.61% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, rising from $8.20 to $8.66. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 14.87%, with a low at $7.97 and a high of $9.16. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 12.08% during this period. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 8 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 28 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $239,730,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $24.98, while the lowest price was $3.50. Currently, the price is 65.33%, or $16.32, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI Inc., trading under the ticker SOUN, is currently facing significant legal challenges as multiple class action lawsuits have been filed against the company. These lawsuits stem from allegations of violations of securities law, claiming that SoundHound misled investors regarding its business operations during the period from May 10, 2024 to March 3, 2025. Attorneys are actively urging affected investors to join the class action, with a lead plaintiff deadline approaching on May 27, 2025. The mounting legal scrutiny is likely to have immediate repercussions on SoundHound's stock price. Investor sentiment could be negatively impacted by the uncertainty surrounding these lawsuits, potentially leading to increased selling pressure and a decline in stock value in the short term. Such actions can create volatility as market participants reassess their risk exposure to the company. In the long term, the outcome of these lawsuits will play a crucial role. If SoundHound is found liable, or if settlements are required, the financial ramifications could further weigh on its performance. Conversely, if the company successfully counters the allegations or reaches favorable settlements, it might restore investor confidence and stabilize the stock over time. Overall, the legal landscape ahead could significantly influence SoundHound's market perception and performance, making it a key factor for investors to monitor. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Wedbush rated SOUN with a buy grade and a hold action. Also, on that Wednesday, H.C. Wainwright gave SOUN a buy grade along with a hold action. Moving to Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald rated SOUN as overweight with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is also rated as strong sell along with the price-to-book ratio, which carries the same rating. Furthermore, regarding return on investment, the analysts have similarly rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 31st, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 6.65%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been generated, and these could influence short-term developments. The stock of SoundHound AI Incorporated holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, presenting a more pessimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between the two moving averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is anticipated from the levels around $8.85 and $9.94. A breakout above any of these thresholds will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal indicated by the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 55 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the following. The short moving average indicates a sell signal from 7 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell signal from 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $8.57, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $1.19 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 14.87%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 7.69%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can encounter downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are currently at -7 cents. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $10.31. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this might be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI faces its first support level at $8.57. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, suggesting a potential rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March, 2025, James Ming Hom conducted an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, James Ming Hom conducted an insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Kevin Mohajer conducted an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Kevin Mohajer conducted an insider sale of 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Nitesh Sharan conducted an insider sale of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades reveals a negative insider power, with a ratio of negative 10.833. In total, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares and sold 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Incorporated presents several concerning signals and is currently in a broad declining trend, which suggests it may continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon reviewing the volatility and movements from the latest trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of April, we anticipate SoundHound AI will open lower by 6.5 cents, starting at $8.60. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it's advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.